Today I want to talk about hemp. Hemp is a remarkable plant with a variety of different uses. It's been a part of the U.S. history since our beginning, and it's a little controversial. The reason for the controversy is that it is a member of the cannabis sativa family. Now, cannabis sativa, not stevia, is more commonly referred to in conjunction with marijuana. According to I Am Shaman, hemp is different in both appearance and the way it's harvested from marijuana. Also, little interesting fact, hemp has less than 1% of the active ingredient THC. Marijuana has anywhere from 10 to 20%, and THC is the ingredient that gets you high. So hemp will not get you high, but it is extraordinarily useful. Hemp can be used for a variety of different things. Food, beauty care products, which we know about here in the U.S., but it's also good for other things like paper, fabric, canvas, ropes, even some fuel. It helps with different substitute plastics and some building materials. Cool, huh? Yeah. Hemp, according to the Washington Post, is valued for both how it grows and where it grows. It grows in any of the 50 states because it needs little water, has very few insect enemies, so needs little or no pesticides, and it repels weeds on its own, so there's no need for herbicides either. Little interesting fact, most of the pesticides used in the U.S. are from cotton. Aside from that fact, hemp is also one of the fastest growing biomasses. Remember, back in the Washington Post, they loved hemp because of how it grows. It grows quickly. Hemp grows anywhere from 10 to 20 feet tall in as little as 4 months. Now that is fast. Because it grows so fast, and for a variety of other reasons, hemp is a better product to use when creating paper instead of trees. Because, and check this out, this is another interesting fact, 1 acre of hemp gives you 4 times the amount of paper than does an acre of trees. Now that would help our economy. What we want to do is to help our economy. Hemp creates a vast amount of products. It's used in healthcare products. Ladies, I know that you've got your shampoos, makeup, any sorts of vitamins. Hemp is probably in at least half of them. Hemp is used for ropes, canvas. Interesting little side note, canvas is actually derived from the word cannabis. Go figure, right? Anyway, there's different applications to hemp. We use hemp for a variety of different products that our ancestors didn't even know about or couldn't even dream of creating. We need to figure out a way to use hemp more productively. The government could grow hemp under more restrictive circumstances, more closely watched, but hemp needs to be a product that we invest our time and effort into. Our economy is hurting right now. Hemp would help to save us, the American taxpayers, a whole lot of money. If we, as a country, are spending $43 million in hemp products, why don't we just grow it ourselves? Our forefathers, Thomas Jefferson, Benjamin Franklin, George Washington himself, the man, states that hemp is an extraordinary product that we ought to utilize. George Washington recommended that we grow it everywhere and anywhere that we could. It's only getting more useful. It is extraordinarily useful, and it would help to save our economy. It's used in building materials, for paper. Little interesting fact, materials made out of hemp last longer than materials made out of cotton. Paper made from hemp will not yellow and will not degrade as easily as paper. Rope made from hemp does not fray as easily, does not spoil, which means to degrade or fester. It will not be so easily destroyed by usage and by time and by the elements. Hemp is a wonderful product that we need to invest our time and effort into. Our forefathers weren't fools in that regard. We shouldn't be either. Thank you.